Wait, so this is October. Oh, this is October's box. Am I that far behind? Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today, we apparently are doing a very late video. I did not realize that this was October's box. So we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Chic Beauty box. Now, this box, I will admit, I remember it being delivered a few weeks ago, and I was like, well, I will get to it. You know, I've been busy. I had a few other things to do. I had advent calendars in there, and I just assumed that this was December's box because of when it arrived. But now opening it up, I just now discovered that the card in here is October. I mean, it's clearly October's box, but I didn't realize, like, I don't think it was shipped to me in October, you guys. I'm pretty sure I received this at the end of November. Well, regardless of what month this is, we're still gonna open up this box today, you guys. So if you've not seen the Chic Beauty box, this is a bi-monthly subscription where you will receive makeup only inside of it. And honestly, it's kind of a rarity anymore to find a beauty box that only does makeup. So many of these beauty boxes will do a variety of like makeup and skincare or some hair care in there, but Chic will do only makeup inside of their boxes. Now, I know it looks small, don't be deceived by the packaging. They do a great job of always giving us 5 full-size products inside of it. They additionally will include all sorts of different brands. You're going to see luxury brands in here, but you're also going to see your drugstore brands as well. I don't mind it. I've just grown to expect that because that's just who Chic is. So it looks like for October, there were 2 different variations available for this. Really good brands though on either side. So depending on what you chose for your box, I think you're still going to get some good items in here, but it is a mixture of, like I said, luxury and drugstore brands. So first item that we have in here is from Clarins. This is their SOS Primer. So it is a full-size product. It is their facial primer. It does mention that this will have a colored tint to it. So we have number 9, which is Amber Pearls. This tint will give you a little bit of a glow. So the idea of having a primer with a glow underneath is that it will give you that glowy effect, but it's just makeup. You're still gonna put foundation over top of it. You're not gonna necessarily know that it's there, but people are gonna be like, wow, you are really glowing. And you're like, I know, it's just my primer. That's the idea, at least, with illuminating primers. So this is a full-size product, like I mentioned. We have 30 ml or 1 ounce here. They also have ingredients in here to give you hydration, so it's not supposed to dry out your skin. But you can kind of tell with the packaging, because this is the shade. Do you see how it's got a little bit of a shimmer? So again, it gives you kind of that glowing from within vibe. So these are great in summertime to put on, especially because, you know, I don't have a tan at all right now, but you can put this on and it gives you kind of that bronzing glow. You could even do this without foundation or other makeup, and it's still going to give you that glowing look, but with that tint, it gives you kind of that bronzed edge. This is a great first item to start the box off with. I love that this is included in the box. So this one retails for $40. The nice thing is it looks like in October, everyone was going to be receiving this product. I still can't believe this is October's box. Like, I'm just so shocked. The next item that I have in here is from Nars. This is a single pan of eyeshadow, and we have the shade Persia. So this is what your packaging will look like. It is a full-size product that we have here. Now, Nars is an excellent brand, really great makeup products. I love this brand. However, Nars is not cruelty-free. And that's what's really frustrating about this brand is they have such great products, but I have a hard time supporting them just because I know they still test on animals. So that's my own personal prerogative, whatever you want to call it. So maybe that won't bother you, but just, you know, as a disclaimer, just keep that in mind. So this is what my eyeshadow will look like. It looks like a little bit of fallout happened in transit. Really bright orange pigment. I see why they sent this in October. It's gorgeous. You know what? I'll probably still use this, you guys. I can probably incorporate this in to some eyeshadow looks. What I do like too about this compact is that this is magnetic, so you could always pop the pan out and then add another one in as well. So if you wanted to reduce some waste, you could always reuse this, which is a nice touch. So this product retails for $19 at Sephora if you wanted to purchase it. Obviously, there's going to be tons of different shadows, but that's how much it retails for individual pans. Next up, we have Fenty Beauty in here, which is my favorite. I love Fenty Beauty, you guys. I just love it. So this is the Poutsicle. It is their hydrating lip stain. Ooh. It is bold, you guys. So this is what it looks like, full-size product. And the shade is called Gem and I. So this shade, oh my gosh. I will tell you, I've seen people wear this color before and they look amazing with it. It's just not a color for me, but I do love this packaging. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Now the idea is not only to give you the colored tint, but it's also going to hydrate your lips at the same time. Funky packaging as well. It's in this triangle shape, but it is really pretty. I feel like you'd never lose this either. You know what I mean? It's so bright, you would always know you have it. So let me go ahead and do a swatch real quick here and we'll take a look at this, but wow. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. Like that is a really nice formula, you guys. So this is what it looks like. So it's a really nice glossy shine. But what I really like about this one is how smooth it applies. Like it goes down beautifully. It's not sticky at all. I do think it said it was an oil formula, so it is a little bit thinner. Now it does mention that it is a lip stain, so it will stain your skin underneath. So I'm actually going to remove this swatch really quickly here. Otherwise I'm going to have a stamp all day. But it will actually give your lips like a permanent tint. Well, not permanent. It'll come off after like a day or so. But it lasts longer throughout the day because of that staining power. Okay, let's wipe this off here. And you can kind of see, so I've wiped it off, but do you see how it leaves that staining effect? And that is deliberate because like I said, even if it comes off of your lips, like you're out and about or you drink something and it wipes off or whatever it may be, it's still gonna leave behind that flush of color for that day. So it is great other than swatching. So apparently we're just gonna have this swatch the rest of the day. I should have realized it said stain before I did that. This one is $28. So again, you can go to Sephora, spend $28 on this product, or you get this subscription box at a fraction of the price. The next item that I have in here is from Maybelline. So like I said, it is common that we'll see some drugstore brands inside of their boxes. Makeup is makeup, so I still love the fact that they're giving us all makeup inside of their boxes. So this one is their Tattoo Studio Liner. It is a gel pencil, and this is the shade. It's called Punchy Pink. I do think this pink liner could look nice. The only thing I worry about is pink eye is not the most attractive look. You got to be very careful with it. So I like the idea that you could put this on as a bright color. I feel like if I were to do it, I would just do it on the inner corner and just do a portion of my eye versus like the whole eyelid, because I just feel like it could go south very quickly. But like I said, it is a full-size product here. I do like the gel eyeliners, and it has a built-in sharpener on the end here too. Last item that we have today is an eyeshadow palette. So this is from Alme. The shade is called Hearts on Fire. It's number 100. And we have 3 pans of pigment in here. Now this one is called a Shadow Trio, and the idea is to show you how to apply this. So you would put this on your whole eyelid and you're gonna work up. This white color is gonna be directly under your brows. So when you're actually blending this in, you're gonna be blending along your brows with that really light color here. And so that's the idea with this one, is you're just building layers across your eyelid. So I do think they're really a pretty color combo though. I think they're very wearable. It does come with a little applicator in here as well. Just a pro tip. I'm not a pro, why am I saying it? But you know what I mean, just a tip, that's what I wanna say. I would recommend using some other eye brushes than the ones that are included in here. These spatulas do not do a great job at blending. They're really great at packing on pigment, so if you wanna have brighter, intense looks, They're great for that. But blending out those edges, and you're going to have to do that several times in here, you want an actual blending brush. So just use any sort of a blending brush that has more bristles on it to really soften up those shades in between, because this spatula that they've included in here, it's just not going to do the trick for you. That's what I would do, at least. That's just my suggestion. So that is everything inside of our Chic beauty box for October. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of this box? I feel like for October, it was totally applicable. I mean, the idea that you got these bold colors, I like the idea of getting it in that month, especially the orange in there. You're getting these really fun, vibrant colors. Right now, it feels a little weird, but you know what? It's the end of December, and that's my fault. So, you know, I think back then it was probably very applicable. But you guys comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of this box? And like I said, if you are interested in trying it out, you are signing up at a good time, because December is already shipping right now. They have customization options open as well, so this is a good time to at least look at it. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!